In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to find your client ID in Stripe. So let's get started. So here we are on Stripe, and first things first is that you would want to go here into products and somewhere here in Connect. So you should see something like this, and if you don't have your Connect set up with, then you should see the more option right here, and then just go into the Connect section, and then just you would need to undergo your account setup into Connect, and then once you're done, is you would want to go into the settings right here on the top right. And in here, you would now have the Connect option again right here under product settings. So you want to click on Connect. And in here is that you would have these options. And what you would want to do from here is that you will want to go into onboarding options, which is this one right here. So click on that. And now you would be able to see the countries, and what we would want right here is the OAuth. And let's wait for it to load. And then from here, you should now be able to see your live client ID. But mine is still unavailable because I don't have my Stripe Connect enabled just yet. So it's unavailable. So in order for you to see this, you would need to get your Stripe Connect set up. And if you don't know what this is for, basically is that you would be able to use this for APIs. So it would be really helpful, especially when they need the client ID in order for them to work properly. This also enables secure authorization between your app and a user's Stripe account. And this is required when using OAuth flows to onboard sellers, vendors, or service providers, and this helps Stripe know which platform is requesting access. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.